There seems to be a pattern with all these vacuum cleaner murders. All of them seem to be from one of three of these companies: VacTech, Vacuumville, and Succeed. According to my sources, all these companies are owned by one big company, Vacuum International. It looks like the company is based off of Muntrul Canadia. Looks like I'm going to Canadia. You're in charge while I'm gone.
Where are you heading?
Muntrul. See ya.
We are here to celebrate the death of Alex, who will forever leave a hole in our hearts.
Did he just say the celebration of death?
Maybe he meant celebration of life.
I'm sorry, can I help you guys?
No.
Now it's time for the mother of the boy to say a few words.
This wasn't just a sad accident. This was an act of murder! And whoever did this, I will find you, and I will take the vacuum cleaner, and I will shove it up!
Okay. That was Alex's mother. Does anybody else want to give their thoughts on the matter? No? Okay, it's time to bury the boy now.
Something is definitely wrong. 3 months is way too long. I cannot just sit around here any longer.
Have you tried calling his cellular device yet?
Oh shoot, I haven't tried calling him and asking him where he is.
Really? The people I work with. What do you detectives get paid for?
Of course I've tried calling him, you idiot.
Thank goodness, y'all detectives aren't half as stupid as you look. We'll try calling him again, and if he doesn't answer, we'll send someone over to Montreal to find him.
Fine, I'll give it one more shot, but I don't think it'll work.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
See, I told you he never calls.
That's enough.
Shh. Hello?
Hello, I am back. Calling you help immediately.
Hello? Hello? Shoot.
Wait, hold on. Quick, give me your phone.
Why?
Because I can use it to trace the call.
Okay.
Bingo.
Did you find him?
Yep. It looks like we're going to Montreal, Detective Dimwit.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm Detective Pham, and I'm here on official business. I have reason to believe that your vacuum cleaners are remotely controlled.
I can assure you that there is nothing wrong with our vacuum cleaners, and it would be absurd of you to think that they're remote controlled.
You're right, it is absurd. I'll ask you one more time. Where do they control the vacuum cleaners?
Okay, I'll tell you where they are. It's not here. It's in the house off facility, just in case they search our office.
I'll drive. You give me the direction.
Okay. Right this way.
These screens let you see through the vacuum cleaner?
And control them.
Okay, I must tell the cops about this.
Oh no, you won't.
What do you mean I won't? Guys.
Hello, sir. What can I do for you today?
Any reason why you're smuggling 2 officers into an active war zone?
These guys, they cosplay.
Yeah, we're dressed as Judy Hopps from Zootopia. Oh shoot, I love that movie. Can I get a picture? No, sorry, we're in a hurry. Oh, alright, y'all can go.
Thank you, officer.
Yes, sir. I put a tracker on the back of their car. You'll know exactly where they are now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Good job, detective. You're leading them right to us.
You're the worst. You didn't even tie me up right.
Dude, you know what? No one will ever suspect that the vacuum cleaners are remote controlled. 0 people, not even your partner, will suspect that they're remote controlled. Because, you know what? They're vacuums.
Detective Gunn is one of the best I know, and he will find you.
Is he better than you? Because not even you suspected it.
You go inside. I'll wait in here.
Okay, partner, I'll call you if I need anything. If I'm not back in 10 minutes, come help.
Okay.
What kind of tomfoolery is this? My timbers are shivered! You can't get me up here!
Think about me every night, oh, isn't that sweet, I just so. Still can't sleep, baby, I know, that's that me espresso.
Voicemail. I hear him. Put your hands up.
You can't shoot me.
Give me one good reason not to.
The whole country will be mad at you if you do.
What do you mean by that?
Do you just think I'm some random employee for just an ordinary company?
I mean, yeah.
Well, you're wrong. Vacuum International is a part of the Canadian government, and I myself am actually the president of Canada. And if you mess with me, my country will bomb your country.
Okay, prove it.
I should have known all along.
I'm gonna keep all of you captive, and the Canadian military is gonna kill all of you.
Not so fast.
Just in the nick of time.
We're all gonna leave here together, and you're not gonna send the military after us.
Fine.
Alright, gang, let's split.
I was somewhere.